This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Aventador versus the Supra MK4. We will explore their unique characteristics, from raw power to iconic design. The Aventador, a V12 supercar, delivers over 700 horsepower, while the Supra MK4, with its legendary 2JZ GTE engine, offers immense tuning potential. Let's dive into what makes these two vehicles so special. When it comes to pure speed, the Aventador is in a league of its own. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, a true testament to its supercar pedigree. The stock Supra MK4, while quick, takes around 5 seconds for the same sprint. Furthermore, the Aventador's top speed surpasses 217 miles per hour, far exceeding the Supra's electronically limited top end. Beyond performance, their designs tell different stories. The Aventador's sharp, angular lines and signature scissor doors scream exotic supercar. In contrast, the Supra MK4 boasts a smoother, more rounded aesthetic, cementing its status as a beloved JDM icon. One represents Italian automotive artistry, while the other embodies Japanese engineering prowess and a massive tuning culture. Considering value, a new Aventador typically starts well over $400,000, placing it in an exclusive category. The Supra MK4, while originally more accessible, has seen its value climb significantly, with pristine examples now fetching over $70,000. Both offer incredible experiences, but cater to very different budgets and desires. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.